Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix dynamic blocks not working after inserting in AutoCAD. If you're new to AutoCAD, dynamic blocks can seem a little confusing at first. A dynamic block is a special type of block that contains adjustable features such as stretch grips, flip actions, rotation parameters, visibility states, and other intelligent controls. Instead of creating multiple versions of the same object, you can use one dynamic block and modify it as needed. However, many beginners run into a common problem. After inserting a dynamic block into a drawing, the dynamic features suddenly stop working. The grips may disappear, the stretch function may not respond, or the flip and visibility controls may be missing entirely. The good news is that this issue is usually easy to fix. The first thing you should do is select the block. When a dynamic block is working properly, you should see blue grips, arrows, or other control handles appear around the block. If you only see a single grip point, the block may have lost its dynamic properties or may have been converted into a standard block. Next, verify that the object is actually a dynamic block. Select the block and open the Properties palette by typing Properties and pressing Enter. In the Properties window, look for information indicating that the object is a dynamic block. If the dynamic parameters are missing, you may have inserted the wrong block definition. Another common issue occurs when the block has been exploded. Dynamic functionality only exists while the object remains a block. If someone used the explode command on the block, all dynamic features will be permanently removed. In that case, delete the exploded geometry and insert the original dynamic block again. If the block appears normal but the controls are missing, try regenerating the drawing. Type Regen and press Enter. This refreshes AutoCAD's display and can sometimes restore missing grips and dynamic controls. You should also check whether grips are enabled. Type grips into the command line and press Enter. The value should be set to 1. If it is set to 0, dynamic grips and editing handles will not appear. Change the value to 1 and test the block again. Another possible cause is that the block was created incorrectly. To inspect the block, type Bedit and press Enter. Select the block and enter the block editor. Here, you can verify that the parameters and actions, such as stretch, flip, rotate, or visibility, are still present and properly connected. If actions are missing or disconnected, the dynamic features will not function after insertion. Finally, save the block after making any corrections, close the block editor, and test the block again in your drawing. Insert a fresh copy and verify that all grips and controls respond correctly. Dynamic blocks are powerful tools that can dramatically improve productivity once they are configured properly. By checking the block type, verifying grip settings, regenerating the drawing, and inspecting the block in the block editor, you can solve most dynamic block problems quickly and confidently. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more AutoCAD tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.